Hello. I'd like to start off with a quote today. We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. By Ronald Reagan. Some of you may have been in a situation in a public place such as a mall, a park, or a sport event arena, where someone needed cardiopulmonary resuscitation, also known as CPR. If you haven't been in that situation, consider yourself lucky. But if you have been in that situation and you weren't already trained, do you wish that you were trained to be able to help someone? Or, for those of you that are already trained, are you thankful that you got trained? My mom has worked in the ED for the past 17 years. Before that, she was an emergency medical technician. I also work in a hospital as a certified nursing assistant and often work in the emergency department. In my time working at the hospital so far, I have not had to use my CPR skills. But I do know that there will come a time, whether it be at work or in a public setting, that I will need to use those skills. Minnesota State University Mankato students should all learn how to correctly and properly conduct CPR. Today, we are going to look at why not enough people are surviving cardiac arrest, and then look at a way to fix those rising numbers of death. Cardiac arrests are more common than people think they are. They can happen to anyone at any time. Nearly 383,000 out of hospital sudden cardiac arrests occur annually, and 88% of cardiac arrests occur at home. American Heart Association, 2019. Many victims of cardiac arrest appear healthy, with no known heart disease or risk factors. Sudden cardiac arrest is not the same as a heart attack. American Heart Association, 2019. Who can you save? Statistically speaking, if called on to administer CPR in an emergency, the life you would be saving is someone at home, whether that be a parent, a child, a spouse, or a friend. African Americans are almost twice as likely to experience cardiac arrest at home, work, or in another public location than Caucasians, and their survival rates are twice as poor as for Caucasians. American Heart Association. To save someone's life that is not breathing or has gone into cardiac arrest, one must perform CPR. Level 1 courses are geared toward youth groups, daycare staffers, athletic club personnel, hotel and restaurant employees, and workers in offices and light industrial settings. Level 1 training consists of 2 to 6 hours of basic instruction. National Safety Council. I tell my students that it is one thing to know life-saving skills, but it is another thing to be comfortable in an emergency, Erica said. Mayfield, 2021. Two best friends, since they were in 7th grade, were on their way home when they had gotten into a car accident. The Athletic Lifestyle Management Academy at their Lakewood High School offers a medical skills class that is taught by longtime American Heart Association CPR instructor Erica Miller. Mayfield, 2021. Tori and Azaria had both been taught and CPR certified just a whole 24 hours before their accident. Tori had to perform CPR on her best friend and saved her life. Tori did not know that just 24 hours after getting certified, that she would have to perform those skills. Mayfield, 2021. In conclusion, today, you learned why it is important to get CPR trained. You also got to hear an inside story from someone in high school and her experience going through this. MSU students should learn how to conduct CPR. From the statistics that I showed you today, it is clear that action needs to be taken to get more people certified. The issue of not having enough people being able to conduct CPR has caused many people to lose their lives. However, I wouldn't advise anyone to wait until it comes time to that one family or friend that goes into cardiac arrest. And at that time, you wouldn't be able to do anything to help. The more of us that become certified, the less likely someone close to you will pass away. Thank you.